cost accounting and default cost profiles in Oracle Cloud. Hi, I'm Linus and welcome to this 6-step video series where we will go end to end in an actual cost scenario. In step number 1, you will now learn how to find and review existing default cost profiles for your cost organization. So let's get right into it. So we're in a demo environment here, as you can see, as Casey Brown. And Casey has the role of an application implementation consultant. This is what we need to now access setup and maintenance. Go over to the right corner, click on the symbol, and then go to setup and maintenance. As soon as we're in here, we want to scroll down, make sure that you're in manufacturing and supply chain materials management. You can switch these areas up here and scroll down to cost accounting. Just click on this area. It will give you a list of tasks, and the only one that you have to worry about right now is manage default cost profiles down here. Let's click on that. This will give you a big list of all the default cost profiles that we have in this environment. But we can limit this down to everything that is US operation and in the financial cost book. Why? Because this is the primary cost book of this demo environment. They just named it financial. So this is what we need to be able to create accounting into the primary ledger. They did a really good job here naming the profiles exactly like the cost methods that is used in these profiles. If this is not the same in your environment, just click on one of these profiles and then go and search for cost method. So this will tell you this is an actual costed item category, meaning everything that we create as an item in computer accessory will be auto-assigned to actual costing. If, for example, we have something in the category electronic smartphone, this will then be standard costed. So now that we know that the computer accessory category will be auto-assigned with an actual cost method, we want to go ahead and create an item that uses this category code, and then the system will automatically create the costing information for us so we can proceed through the next steps. That's what we're going to cover in the next video. And as always, if you need my personalized help, feel free to reach out to me directly using the link below.